Why most people don't truly want to start a business. They just want extra income. Hi, it's Ziggy Nettles. In today's digital age, it has become almost fashionable to say, I'm starting a business, or I want to be an entrepreneur. Social media glorifies entrepreneurship as a lifestyle full of freedom, flexibility, and unlimited financial upside. Countless gurus parade their highlight reels, Lamborghinis, beach laptops, screenshot earnings, and motivational cliches, convincing millions that starting a business is the key to escaping the job grind and building the life they dream of. But beneath this cultural pressure lies a surprisingly unspoken truth. Most people do not actually want to start a business. They want something much simpler, extra income, reduced financial stress, and a better quality of life. They want the ability to pay down bills, to upgrade their living situation, to afford a nicer car, to take their family on vacations, to stop worrying if an unexpected $400 expense will ruin their month. They don't want the headaches of managing employees, dealing with payroll, tracking finances, paying quarterly taxes, navigating business insurance, filing compliance documents, constantly marketing, handling customer complaints, and battling the never-ending pressure to grow. They want results, not the responsibilities that come packaged with real entrepreneurship. The following argument breaks down the psychological, structural, economic, and lifestyle reasons why so many people gravitate towards small, manageable online income streams, and why full-scale entrepreneurship simply isn't what they're truly seeking. 1. Entrepreneurship has been romanticized beyond reality. The modern internet has turned entrepreneurship into a branded lifestyle rather than a strategy for solving problems in the marketplace. Influencers glamorize the idea, showcasing fully sit laptop session, flexible work hours, passive income screenshots, luxury travel, freedom from bosses. This image is intoxicating, but almost entirely disconnected from what true business ownership looks like. The average person scrolling TikTok or YouTube encounters thousands of hours of highlight reel content, but very little of the unglamorous truth. Late nights fulfilling customer orders, lawsuits and legal risks, unexpected tax bills, employee issues, slow sales months, high advertising costs, burnout and pressure, constant reinvestment, uncertainty and risk. This creates a situation where people believe they want to start a business, when what they really want is a lifestyle portrayal, not the responsibilities that create it. Thus, most people's desires are fundamentally misaligned. They desire the benefits of entrepreneurship without its burdens, and because of this misalignment, they are drawn more to opportunities that provide extra income without requiring full-scale operation. Managing people is one of the hardest parts of business. The average person does not want to manage employees, and for good reason. Managing people is not simply giving instructions. It requires emotional intelligence, conflict resolution, clear and consistent communication, performance monitoring, hiring and firing, training, mentoring, dealing with personalities and conflicts, handling sick days, personal issues, scheduling problems. Many people already struggle with interpersonal issues at their regular jobs. They dread workplace politics, difficult coworkers, or demanding bosses. When they imagine entrepreneurship, they imagine freedom from these dynamics. But running a business with employees actually increases these challenges. You're no longer just an employee dealing with workplace frustrations. You're the person responsible for creating solutions, paying wages, fixing mistakes, motivating staff, and handling turnover. The truth is that most people don't want to discipline employees. Most people don't want to confront underperformers. Most people don't want to deal with people calling in sick. Most people don't want to be responsible for someone else's income. These are core responsibilities of business ownership. When most people discover this, they quickly realize they're not seeking leadership. They're seeking relief. So the desire isn't for a business. It's for income without management burdens. Are you looking for an alternative to starting a business, but still want to make $1,000 or more on the side each and every month? See the link in the description for a solution that may work for you. Or just email me